Today, I will tell you the different kind of requests when you fit made with API, particularly the kind API will be they call RESTful API. For RESTful API, you fit make what we they call get request. Get requests are the most common kind of requests where we get. And if you believe me, say now you won't get something from another person your website or maybe API will you build yourself. You mean say no be you they send, now you they collect. Another kind request will we get now post request. This kind request means say now you they send something to that API. That means say you want store something for the server or you want send some kind message to the API where the API go need to carry out your request. Another one will you get now put request. Put request they similar to post request, but we dey use post request to post something wey no dey the API or the server already. Meanwhile, put request we dey use am to update something wey don already dey that API wey we dey connect to. Finally, we get the delete request wey we just dey use to delete any information wey we don't want again. I will dey explain more programming concept like this for my page, so make sure say you like and follow for more videos like this. Thank you for your attention to this matter.